Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, our unboxing, I'll be showing you the JSW Smart TV, and this is a LED TV, and of course this is from JSW. So if you're interested in the JSW brand, they should run you through the TV. So as I said, this LED TV is smart. This is the JTSA 32099D PXBT, quite long, but of course as you may surmise from the name, it's a 32-inch TV. One of the things I like right out of the box is that you get two free remotes. So you can use both, or of course you can save one as a backup remote. It comes with Android 9, which is great again that we're using Android TV. It has inside a quad core with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of RAM. It features screen mirroring, it's 4K ready. It can connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and of course it has HDMI, USB video to 1080p, so you can actually input 1080p signals. It features the App Store as well. On this side guys, you see the features repeated, and of course you can see here it's energy efficient. You see the social media pages. It gives you the scan QR code to go to those pages. Shows you again on this side that it's 4K ready, and you see some other information. You can see the power consumption, which is 60 watts. It gives you the input voltage in hertz voltage, you can read there. And of course it gives you the dimension of the TV as well. Next I'm going to open up this box. Alright guys, so this JSW is brand new. I've opened the box. You can remove the fixtures here. That's that one. You can see the TV there. I'm going to come back to that later. Over here you can see that we got the remote. We got two of these. We're gonna remove everything from the box. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we have the JSW Smart LED TV operating instruction. You can see the model number here, and it runs you through. Can give you a quick preview, see the contents. Alright, so this is basic setup of the TV itself. Shows you to mount the legs. You do get the legs here, and of course you get the screws that comes along with the leg. You have the warranty card for you to sign up, and you get two remotes over here, which is basically both identical. I don't see any batteries, but of course not bad. I always like when it comes with batteries, but sometimes you just don't get any batteries. All right, so as you can see again on the instruction manual here, it runs you through the setup. Generally, maybe if you want, you can go ahead and pause to see this. It gives you the remote, gives you the controls. There you go. All right, shows you everything that you need to know right here. It runs you through. All right, it's pretty detailed enough to get you started. And of course that's the user manual. So this is all that comes inside of the box. I'm gonna remove the TV next. All right, so I've removed the TV and I'm gonna remove it from the plastic next. All right guys, so as you can see here, we have the JSW TV. Quite nice, it's very thin. I'll show you how thin in a minute. Check out the features guys. So it has it's 4K ready, Android 9, Wi-Fi connect, Bluetooth, App Store, quad core, and it's LED. Alright, so JSW here as well. On the front, you can see down here there seems to be a sensor or a button, and you can see under here we have a bunch of buttons. We have power, volume up and down, channel, menu, and source. So it's nice that they included those. You can check out the remote as well. Now numeric keypad, nice direction pads, forward, stop, browse, and you get a bunch of options down here. Alright, so I'm gonna flip this over on the opposite side. Alright, not the thinnest TV, but it is relatively thin. You can see the back here, the card is snug at the base, JSW. See the mounting sections there. And we can check out the inputs over here. Alright, so as you can see from the inputs, we have two USB 1 and USB 2. We also have the basic input jacks, and of course the HDMI should be hidden somewhere around here. I'm not sure where the HDMI port is, but it does have a HDMI. I'm not seeing it, but it should be around here somewhere. Alright, so this is the back of the device, and of course that's the overall unboxing. I'm gonna power this up, show you what it's like when it's on. We're gonna have future tutorials and guides show you basically how to use this device. Hey guys, so this is the TV setup, and of course I've had it on a mounting frame, and it's being powered like the LED on the front. All right, so this is the remote. You can check it out. Not bad. Of course, we're gonna hit power. All right, so there you go, JSW LED Smart TV. All right, so it's powering up. It says Wisdom Share Smart Cloud TV. All right, so there you go. So this is the interface of the TV. Simple, straightforward, not the most feature rich. But what I would do in a case like this for a TV such as this is I would definitely add a Amazon Fire Stick as an additional piece, which will basically improve the smart TV features. Since this one is 4K ready, it would be great as a kids TV. All right, so this is 32 inches. As you can see, it gives you the time and so on. So loving this so far. This has been the end of the unboxing, just showing you the basic setup. And as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.